What's up? My name is Matt Lynch, and I'm going to do a bike check. The frame is a Kink Whip 2012, and it's a 20.5 top tube, 13-inch dropouts. Forks are Kink Strife, tapered, so we'll mix it a bit later. My bars are Kink Uptown, and they're kind of like bent, so I don't really like them. Probably can get animal sway. I got ODI long neck XL grips and ODI nylon bar ends. Got the Mission stem and Mission integrated headset. And the frame has gyro tabs. I got a Animal Tom White oil tire. I got a custom rim. It's an Alienation plain black rim with alloy spokes and Mission Echo front hub, and I got just the Kink pegs. Moving to the middle of my bike, I got Animal plastic pedals with Mission 3-piece transit cranks, 22mm Spanish bottom bracket. My sprocket is a Kink Decimal 25 tooth with a KMC chain laced to a 9-tooth driver. My back rim is also custom. It's Alienation black sheep with alloy spokes and a V3 cassette Mission React sealed hub. And my Mission C-clamp, Kink pivotal post, and an Animal modular Sylvester signature pivotal seat. And do a hub sound. Yeah, so that's my big check. Peace.